Are you making tracks, Mr. Case? Can you show me some nice walking? What? What is that? That's hardly walking, Mr. Casey. He says, oh, I know. What else can you do? Show me something exciting. Yeah. Well, how about saying bottle? Or mama? Mama. Yeah, you are pretty cute. Oh, hello. Hello. He says, I want the camera. I'm pretty sure I would really enjoy the camera. Yep. Hello. Say hi to the camera. Lay. Can you show me a walk, a step or two? No, I don't feel like it. Is Big Sister coming? Yep. Well, that was extremely exciting, Casey. Can you show us good stair climbing technique? Yeah. Let's see what I hear, Big Sister. Very nice. And here comes Big Sister, all in pink. Pretty exciting. There goes Casey, Casey the Destroyer. Okay.